Hi there, Wild Wanderers, and welcome back to another exciting episode of the Wild Wonders of Southern Africa. So in today's episode, as the title suggests, we're going to go hiking and birding at Faerie Glen Nature Reserve here in Pretoria. I've never been here. It's a pity because this place is amazing. Check out this view. Summit, and it's a freaking awesome view up here. Just want to try and get a nice place to stand. But have a look at that. Hey, that is incredible. It's a bit of a hike, and I can tell you I'm not fit, but it's so worth it. The reward is just fantastic. Righto, let's keep on going. Righto guys, so as everything comes to an end,
I had so much fun at Fairy Glen Nature Reserve. With 82 bird species for the day, seeing that it was a half a day trip as well, I don't think that's bad at all. Fairy Glen will definitely see me again. Here's some bird highlights that I got and a couple of cool mammals as well, especially that little sengi as well. Yeah, if you want to check out more of my new birding photos and highlights and reels, go over to my Instagram page. It's definitely worth it. So you're gonna go to birding_wildlife_wonders. Go check it out, guys. And for those of you that are not subscribed yet, subscribe. Hopefully this will be worth it. See you guys next time. Bye for now.